In this video, I'll show you how to download and install Zoom on your laptop or computer. Let's start by opening an internet browser and typing in Zoom, then hitting Enter. Click on the top search result, zoom.com. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page, and in the footer, you'll find a Download section. Click on this, then scroll down again until you see Zoom Workplace for Windows. Click on Download 64-bit. If you have a 32-bit computer, you'll need to download the 32-bit version instead. If you're not sure whether your computer is 64-bit or 32-bit, go to the Start menu, search for System Information, and click on it. In the window that opens, look for System Type. It will say either x64, which is 64-bit, or x32, which is 32-bit. Once you've downloaded the file, go to the Downloads folder on your computer. Right-click on the zoominstaller.exe file and run it. Allow a few seconds for the installation to complete. Once it's finished, you'll see a message confirming that the installation was successful. Click Done, and from here you can either join a meeting without needing an account or sign up and create a free account to use most of Zoom's features. Once you've created and logged into your free account, you'll see the main Zoom window. From here, you can join or create new meetings and access all of Zoom's features. That's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.